Hello viewers, after successful video of my Excel regarding how to delete duplicates, now I am going to share you two things how you can find duplicates in columns or how you can find unique records in tables and columns. So let's go and watch it on the screen. Now in front of you two tables, so I am going to select first column and then press Ctrl and select the second column. Now go to Conditional Formatting. The method is very easy. Highlight cell rules and then go to duplicate cells. Now open the small column and assign any color. In my case, I assign yellow color. Now click on OK and all the duplication would be highlighted with yellow color. Now let's find unique color. At the same time, select columns, go to highlight cell rules, duplicate cells, and now in the first column go and select unique in place of duplicate. Give it a sign, give it a color and simply click OK. Now you will see in red color the unique cells. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.